Welcome back to Excel with NS. Please like, share and follow TechieTrain on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, we answered a few questions using the data set. In this video, we'll be answering the remaining 2 questions. In the last video, we showed how we can nest. We use 4 conditions in one function. We use the if and or function to nest 4 conditions, which is the department must be equals to sales, the region must be equals to Lagos or Abuja, the attendance must be 20 days or higher, and the target met must be, the total sales must be greater than the target met or the target, to check for eligibility criteria. In this video, we'll be answering these remaining 2 questions using the data set. Let's get right into it. Now, this question 7 states, if attendance is less than 18 or units sold is equals to 0, display at risk, else display stable. So this is concerning our staff. Let's reduce this. So we can have extra space for. So it's asking if the attendance, if our staff attendance is less than 18 and their units sold is equals to 0, display at risk. So we want to know the staff that are at risk of losing their jobs, or the ones that are stable as well. To do this, we'll come over here, staff value, call it staff value. Come over here. To do that, we'll use the basic if and or function. So this if function states, the or function states that if any of these 2 conditions are met, then we'll display at risk, else display stable. Here is saying if the attendance is less than 20, it's less than 18, if the staff has showed up for less than 18 days and the units they've sold is less than or is equals to 0, will display at risk, else will display stable. So here this staff is stable because the first condition is not met, it's not equals to 18. The second condition is also not met because it's not equals to 0. It's not less than 18 and it's not equals to 0. So that's why it's showing us stable. For the rest, let's find out. We fill, rather than going through the motions of typing, we just use the fill function to bypass all of that. So here is at risk. Let's see why. G4, that attendance is less than 18 or less, because we not put 18 or equals to. If we put 18 or equals to, it will show us at risk because one of the conditions have been met. So let's remove this and leave our code as it is. Here is less than 18 and here is equals to 0. So even if we put here equals to 18, as long as here is equals to 0, it will still show us at risk. Here too, wait, okay, here is 15, it's less than 18, so it's 15 and 6. Here at risk. Okay, this is the one we're talking about. G4, less than 18 equals to 0. So once one of the conditions are met, then it will show at risk. If none of the conditions are met, then it will show stable. The or function states that if one of the conditions is met, then display, else don't display. So if one of them is met, at risk. If none of them is met, stable. And that's how we've calculated for the we've calculated our staff value. We know the staff that is at risk, and we know the staff that is stable. So let's answer the next question, the final question. If department is not equals to sales and region is equals to Benin, or region is equals to Port Harcourt, and total sale is greater than target, display special recognition. S, display normal staff. Come over here. We'll write over here special recognition. Let's reduce this. Let's increase this. Recognition. So the conditions that have been given to us is, the first condition is the department must not be equals to sales. Second, if the region the region must be equals to Benin, or the region must be equals to Port Harcourt. That is the second condition. The third condition is the total sales must be greater than the target. So 3 conditions have been given to us. To do that, we come over here and type this in. Let me reduce this so you can see better. And expand this all the way over here. Now let's break it down. If this is the symbol for not equals to, we normally use equals to, but for not equals to, we use this. This is telling Excel that it's not equals to. So if the first condition, and why all of them are nested in and, is because all the conditions must be met for special recognition. If one of them is not met, then we will not get special recognition. So here is saying if department is equals to sales, that is the first condition. The department must not be equals to sales. That is the first condition. The department must not be equals to sales. The second condition is the region must be either Benin or Port Harcourt. That is for the second condition. The third condition is that the total sales must be greater than the target met. Once all 3 of these conditions are met, show special recognition, else show normal staff. Here is showing normal staff because one of the conditions is not met. Here, the B2 should not be equals to sales. That is department. He's from the sales department. He has already failed. His region should be Benin or Port Harcourt. He has already failed because he's in Lagos. And his target, total sales must be greater than his target. Yes, his total sales is greater than his target, but because the other 2 conditions are not met, it will show us normal staff. Because the AND function, this AND function where everything is nested in, states that all the conditions must be met for to get special recognition. Now we could go through the motions of writing all of that, which is a hassle, right? Or we can bring it down over here. Yeah. So we bring it down. Here we see special recognition. Why? The first condition, B2 must not be equals to sales. He's in the marketing department, so the first condition has been met. The second condition is the region must be Benin or Lagos or Port Harcourt. So he's from Benin, so the second condition has been met. The third condition, the total sales must be greater than the target. The total sales is 15,000, and the target is total sales must be greater than or equals to the target. So the total sales is equal to the target, and that's where we have the special recognition. Also here too is the same thing. The department is in the IT, he's from Port Harcourt, and his total sales is greater than his target, and that's why we have special recognition for him. That is, we've successfully answered all 8 questions using these data sets. In the next video, we'll continue with the nesting of more function. We'll continue seeing how we can add the if, and or function to answer multiple questions with a different data set. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.